Safety at industrial sites is no longer an option, but a necessity. A clean working environment is a shortcut to creating a safe industrial site. From now on, let me introduce a strong industrial safety solution. Compared to general household vacuum cleaners, industrial vacuum cleaners with strong suction and large dust collection space, ANYVAC. Due to the wide range of use and the nature of the product used by many people, it is simple to operate and is resistant to external shocks, so the failure is minimized. The most commonly used industrial vacuum cleaner is, in order to operate the suction motor separately, an individual operation switch is installed. You can adjust the suction power according to the situation. Equipped with a sturdy frame and 8-inch wheels, it's shock resistant and easy to move around. In addition, large capacity filters are used to reduce filter clogging due to dust. It has a large collection tank with dust collection from 75 liters to 200 liters. In addition, by having industrial vacuum cleaners that can be used in various industrial sites, maintain optimal cleanliness depending on the working environment and effectively remove dust and pollutants. We provide solutions to create safe and efficient workspaces. Best cleaning solution for safe and efficient industrial sites. Right now, let's take the first step toward a safe and clean future together.